In this lesson we're going to look at the PESTEL model, which is a tool for auditing the marketing environment. As we know from our lesson on the marketing environment, the wider macro environment impacts upon how marketing managers make decisions. During this lesson we're going to look at how we audit and evaluate our external business environment. There are a number of acronyms which are popular for doing this. An acronym basically is the first letter of a word which is then put together to make another word, like pest and slept, that we'll look at in a moment. PEST stands for political, economic, socio-cultural and technological. PESTEL stands for political, economic, socio-cultural, technological, environmental and legal. SLEPT means societal, legal, economic, political and technological. And we can also include in this STEP, which is society, technological, economic and political. Others would include le PEST and spectacles. They're all pretty much the same, and in reality you can actually do a PEST analysis on a SLEPT analysis and a le PEST on a PESTEL analysis. But for the purposes of this video and this course, we're going to focus upon PESTEL analysis, or PESTEL. Let's have a look at each of the terms in turn. Political essentially is the political environment which revolves around the current government in a particular country in which a manufacturer trades, and also looks at laws and legislation that operate within your home market as well as overseas. The economic environment is a direct influence on all businesses. Obviously, if you're studying marketing, there is a huge element of economics within the topic itself, and you should be no stranger to the principles of economics. So here we're looking at things like employment levels, we're looking at inflation, interest rates, whether the economy is booming, whether there's a depression. These are all economic factors. Next we'll look at socio-cultural, and the social cultural environment embodies everything which is social and cultural within a nation or society. There are plenty of examples of society and culture on the Marketing Teacher website. Some recommended reading here would be that you go back through the lesson store and pick out some elements from the consumer behaviour section. But in terms of culture, we're looking here at things like religion, the way you're educated, your national culture, your local culture, your dialect. These are all cultural factors. Next, let's take a look at technological. Technological factors are multifaceted influences. Let's just think about the sorts of technology that you come in touch with almost daily. Smartphones such as Android and iPhone are now common, all garden. We're used to being able to access information and communication technology instantly, no matter where we are. During studies at work, we have access to information on quick PCs and over the internet. With faster broadband connections arriving in many parts of the world, this is a huge area of change and an area which is very interesting to marketers. Environmental or environmentalism is quite important. These are the green issues that surround marketing. Environmentalism and marketing connect where marketing may affect the environment when serving customers with products and services. There's an environmental movement which puts pressure on businesses, governments and everyday people to be greener. There's a number of examples of how companies can be greener internally and externally, from addressing manufacturing today to designing a more sustainable future. So that's environmental. Legal is the final element of the PEST analysis. When marketing overseas, your business will need to take into account laws in the local market. For example, cars are sold in mainland Europe and the United States, and they tend to be left-hand drive, whilst those which are marketed in Japan and the United Kingdom are right-hand drive. So the laws in terms of how you construct a car are different. This is a local requirement. Different countries have different laws in relation to the maximum speed limits and safety ratings on vehicles, as well as many other bylaws and codes. Okay, so we've looked at PESTEL Analysis there, which is a tool for auditing the business environment. We look at politics, economics, our culture, our society, technology, environmentalism, and law and legal issues. And it's all about looking out from our business into the business environment. PESTEL analysis is not an internal pointing audit as something such as SWOT analysis may be in terms of its strengths and weaknesses. That's PESTEL analysis, and that's how we audit the business or marketing environment.